Good morning, student. Today we read adjective. Okay. So in previous period already we have discussed about the adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Today we discuss about the demonstrative adjective. So what is demonstrative? Demonstrative means demonstrate, to point. The adjective which points a specific noun. Okay. Demonstrative. What is demonstrative adjective? A demonstrative adjective points a specific noun. So demonstrative adjectives only for this, that, these, those. Already you know the use of this, that, these, those. So this is this, that singular, these, those plural. This plural, this singular, this plural is these, that singular, that's plural is those. So what this? This is a pen which is near, close by. We use this singular thing. This is a pen or these are pens. So which things are close by us? We use this, and that which is far away. That is a ball. That is a fan. That is a light. So which we can't touch, which is far away from us. For that we use that. It is already familiar. You know all this. So, this picture is. This is a picture of red food. So here, this is demonstrative adjective. This is which thing is nearby. Okay. So this is a, suppose you can write this is a pen. So this points a specific noun, that is pen. Okay. So demonstrative adjective points a specific noun. So this points a pen. That is a pen. Okay. These are pencils, or those are stars. Okay. So like this, which are far away, we use for that, those. Which close by, we use this and that. Okay. For singular, close, this, plural, this, far away, that, one thing. If more than one plural, those. Okay. So demonstrative adjective points a specific noun. So possessive adjective. So what is possessive adjective? Possessive adjective is one which shows the possession or belonging. Suppose this pen is belong to me. That means we can say that this is my pen. Okay. So the possessive adjectives denotes the belonging or possession. So if I will ask, whose pen is this? Whose pencil is that? Whose bag is this? Or whose house is that? So whose? The answer will come. My, his, her. So possessive adjectives are my, our, his, her, their, it, its. Okay. These are possessive adjectives. So where you use possessive? If the pronoun or the noun. Suppose I. For that we use my. If the pronoun we, subject, we write our for subject. He, his. Okay. She. What? Her. For according to subject, the possessive pronouns will be used. So she, her, then they. They. Okay. Then it. It's. Okay. So any boy's name, girl's name, his, her, Ram takes his pen. So she, her, they, it, its, animal, it, non-living thing, its, then plural, they. So these are the possessive pronouns used to show the belonging or possession. Okay, so my dress, suppose one sentence I will write, my dress is green, means the green dress is belongs to me. Okay, or my dress is green, or my dress is green in color, that means the green color dress is belongs to me. Okay, then our examination will start soon. That means whose examination, means our question, whose, our, whose dress, my. Okay, so when you ask whose, the answer will come, that is possessive pronoun. In sentence, if you ask whose, then the what answer will come, that is possessive pronoun. Suppose your house has a beautiful garden. Your house has a beautiful garden. So here if you are, I will ask question, whose garden, whose house has a beautiful garden, means your house. So here my, our, your are called possessive adjectives. Okay. Then interrogative adjective. So what is interrogative adjective? An interrogative adjective helps to ask question. An interrogative adjective helps to ask question about a particular noun. Which question? If you ask a question, the answer will come about the particular noun, that is interrogative adjectives. Generally interrogative adjective which, whom and what. So what interrogative adjectives are? Which, whom and what. These are interrogative adjectives. So if you ask question and the answer will come about a particular noun, that is called interrogative adjective. So which student come late in this class? Which student, sentence, which student come late to, came late to class. So which, it is interrogative adjective. Which cat did your friend go in? Which car, in which car did your friend, which car did your friend go in? Okay, here which is interrogative adjective. So the question asked to answer a particular noun. So which, who and what are the interrogative adjectives. Okay, the formation of adjectives. So how can you form or make adjectives? By some rules are there. By Y, they say greed, greedy, thirst, thirsty, neat, needy, fifth, filthy. Then adjectives by adding ly. Year, yearly, love, lovely, month, monthly, friend, friendly. Then ish, full, foolish, from fool to foolish. Then child to childish, red to reddish, white to whitish. Whitish, childish, reddish are the adjectives. They are formed from the word full, child, red, white by adding ish. Okay. Then huge, useful, help, helpful, hat, helpful, faith, faithful by adding full. Then less, help, helpless, use, useless, test, testless, home, homeless. That by adding less also we can form adjectives. Then so many adjectives just by themselves: big, important, pretty, rich, beautiful, interesting. These are also adjectives. So adjective of quality. Okay. So adjectives are how many types? 5 types: quality, quantity, then demonstrative, possessive, then interrogative adjectives. Okay, so I hope you understand about adjective. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.